I give him peacock because he's my big fan. I'm feeling it now. Right now. Yes, I'm filming. I'm filming right now. This is my biggest fan, Sigma. Sigma. His name is Sigma. And his username is Monday 875. Okay, he's beating me. Okay, let's go. Let's give him my peacock.
Para pag nakuha siya.
If I have many peacock, I will give you some. If I have a crab, I'll give you crab. I'll give you.
Gawa siya pa muna. Saan ba?
Yan na, sir. Okay, bye.